Hello YouTube, welcome to Yonoworld. My name is Yonosuotamo, but you can call me Yono. In this video, I am going to teach you the secret of how to make the Chewbacca noise. Are you ready? Before we begin, let's watch the following clip.
They say we're not supposed to film on these sets, but you know what I said? I don't care. We're going on a road trip. Where are we going, Chew?
So in this clip, my good friend John and I are about to go on a road trip. John asks me where we're going, and I make the sound. The sound that you heard was my own. How did I do it? Up next, you'll learn the technique of how to recreate the sound that Chewbacca makes. First of all, let me tell you a little bit about myself. I started playing Chewbacca alongside Peter Mayhew, the original actor, in Force Awakens. When I first started learning how to do the Chewbacca sound, it was because I wanted to impress Harrison Ford. After failing to impress him, I went on to learn to perfect my Chewbacca sound so that one day, maybe, I could impress him. Let's begin. There are two things you must learn to do the Chewbacca sound. First, the tongue trill. You need to be able to roll your tongue just like you would roll your R's by pressing your tongue against the roof of your mouth and blowing air through it. Second is you need to nail the pitch that Chewbacca makes. And it's kind of low, it's kind of moany, so you need to be able to produce that. Now, if you can't do the rolling R, don't worry, you can still nail the pitch. And if you can't do the pitch, well, maybe there are some porg sounds you could do. Okay, so let's begin. So the tongue trill, press your tongue against the roof of your mouth. And the moan comes after that, so. Pretty fun, right? So you could do that all day, in the office, at home, when you're out with your friends. The possibilities are endless. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications when another video is uploaded. And also, let me know down in the comments your favorite place for letting out a Chewbacca roar. I'll choose 3 top comments and send something nice your way. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and remember,